Want silky, frizz-free hair at home? Here's how to use the Mayraki Keratin treatment in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times with the Mayraki Purifying Shampoo. Rinse and blow dry completely to open the cuticles. Step 2. Section your hair into small parts and apply the treatment evenly. Comb through until every strand is coated. Step 3. Let the product absorb for about an hour, then comb out any extra. Step 4. Blow dry your hair until it's about 80 to 90% dry. Step 5. Flat iron each section 8 to 25 times, depending on your hair type. And step 6. Don't rinse your hair the same day. Wait 48 hours for the best long-lasting results. With Mayraki Keratin, you can tame, treat, and transform right at home.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.